everybody, my name is Sheila, and this is my crafting area. Now, I've always loved to journal, and I've always loved to scrapbook, so I combined the two to make scrapbook journals. But I just wanted to show you my little setup here. I actually have a big table, and a big long table with a lot of stuff here. Anyways, so I needed to get a little bit organized here, so I got this set up here at Costco. I have my washi tape in. It comes like this, 2 sets, drawers. A lot of my washi, I got it on Temu. I got some of it from Facebook auctions. I got some from Hobby Lobby. Might even got some from eBay. Some gifted to me. And then it came with this little spinner thing here. And I just love this thing because this is exactly what I wanted it for. It was for my markers. Now it took me a while to get this all organized here because I wanted to do it by color. So my markers are all here. So it's all ready to go. I don't need any more markers until these have dried up and are already used, and then I can buy more. That is what I keep telling myself. So anyways, I wanted to start by showing that I learned how to do this junk journaling. So this is my very first junk journal I did, and it's made from a Reader's Digest condensed book. And I learned how to do this stuff on watching YouTube videos. SeaPanda was my first one that I watched, and I fell in love with the direction of it. And I thought, well, this is kind of fun. It's coming apart already. This I learned how to bind, and it does have several holes in it because it's trial and error. So, and I decided I'd paint the cover. Didn't need to really, but I did. So this is my little chunky journal. And I was going to redo it because my style has now changed some, but I'm going to leave it as is because this is my first one, my first junk journal. I did glue some ribbon in here. I got that at the dollar store. Scrapbook pages, I don't know, I've had them around for a while. So when I say junk journal, scrapbook journal, my scrapbooks tell a story. I include pictures in here and stories. And I put little tabs in here, and I learned how to make little pages. So each one has a little story. I learned how to make a little pocket from a picture that I took. And so this is my very first junk journal of putting together. The pictures that I print here, I print on koala paper. I like their sticker paper, sorry. I like their regular photo paper, but here I used their sticky paper. So these are probably in matte color here. Matte. And this is what I use here. Koala sticker paper. I get this online. I usually use the glossy or semi-glossy in this one, which is the glossy is in red here. I love this. I love being able to print my pictures on there. I print like these here. I print on my computer 9 of them at a time. I just cut them, put them in my book, tell my story here. They also have, I like this one too, the koala inkjet paper. I like printing on this one too. It's really good, but I'm kind of in love with the sticker paper because I can print it, cut it the way I printed it, and I can just put it right in my book here. Put it right in my journal, my junk journal. My little travels. Learning how my cats, Oscar, I have 2 cats. So this is my first junk journal. Yep, learning my pages, putting together some stuff. We redid our basement, so we had to clean everything out because we had water in there. So we had to. This was my my journaling, or this was my craft area before. We did a little remodel in our basement. my husband bought me a longer desk here, a longer one, and we've got some cabinets on the side. Anyways, yes, so I've got a better setup. This took a long time. You don't know how much stuff you have until you actually have to move it all. So that was quite the chore. Learned how to kind of make a tag, learn a little bit about pockets. Still working on that part there. And then I also included some stories here. This was from 2020, so something I printed, you know, about me, Judd. Excuse me. And this is my journal, so sorry, excuse me. This is my very first junk journal.